In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the elastic face filter on TikTok. So once you're on the TikTok camera, what you want to do is tap on effects at the bottom left-hand corner. Then you'll be on the trending section, but you want to tap on new. And then you can see in the first row, the last filter with that face there with the blob. That is the elastic face filter. So how it works is you just need to tap the screen. It will start off like that, and then you tap the screen and it goes into the elastic face. Pretty cool. But if you're not finding the filter from the new section and then over there, go out of the TikTok camera. Then on the Discover tab, you want to search for elastic face. Hit search, and then two effects should pop up there. But if you're not seeing it pop up there, then what you want to do is update your TikTok app to the latest version. And it also might not show there if it isn't available in your region just yet, because TikTok filters aren't rolled out to every single country at the same time. But if you do see it there, you can tap on elastic face, then you can add it to your favorites, or you can try the effect at the bottom, and then you just need to tap the screen. So how you would do this is you can press the record button just like that. Then you tap the screen, tap it again, however you want to record, tap the tick mark when you're done. You can add all your effects and everything like that. Tap on next and then just go through the posting process. So that is how you get the elastic face filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.